So we're just going to record the area to find the surface area of a prism. And this box is called a prism. A prism is a 3D rectangular prism right here. You also have a 3D triangular prism. Why this is a triangular prism, this other shape, because it's a triangle. If I go back to the first shape, why it's a rectangular prism, because look at the face right here, it's a rectangle. Okay, so you want to find the surface area, so you want to find the area of all the surfaces. So you're going to have 6 surface areas that you're going to find. 6 areas. Surface faces. Here's face 1, the front. So that's 6 inches times 3 inches. So 6 times 3 is 18. So since we just did the front, I'm in the same color outline the back in black. So here's the back. So that is going to be, so the height of this is still 6, and then the base of it is 3. So 6 times 3, so that's 18. So that was the front and the back. Now let's do the left and the right side. So here's the left side in purple. So the height is that 6, and this base is going to be 5. So 5 times 6 is 30. So that was the left side. Now let's do this right facing side. So again, the height is 6 and the base is 5. So it's 5 times 6. So that's 30. Now you already did front, back. You already did the left, right. So the left, the top, and the bottom are left. So here's the top. So the top, this length right here is 5 from here, from this 5. And the base is the 3. So 5 times 3. So that's 15. And then bottom, the height is 5 and the base is 3. So 5 times 3 is 15. And then at the very end, you're going to take all of these and add them all up. So I have 30 and 30, 60. 15 and 15 are 30. 18 and 18 make 36. Make that 6. And then that's 90 plus 36, so that's 126. And then the unit of measurement is inches, so inches squared. So that's the surface area. You're going to find an area of all of the sides of the box and add them together. One of the reasons we want to do surface area and find surface area, if you think about like manufacturing, if you're wrapping something up, you want to figure out how much the exact wrapping, so you have exact and not a little less and a little more. Think about like wrapping presents. When you wrap the outside of a present, you're actually wrapping the surface area of a present. So if you want to get the exact wrapping paper you want for that present, you can just find the surface area and then measure it out. You need 126 inches for this prism. Again, this is a rectangular prism because it's a rectangle face. So let's go to the next one. This surface area is a triangular prism because we have a triangle on the top and the bottom as a face. So if I find the triangle area of this triangle, since I just highlighted it, I'm going to find it. So you got to be a little bit aware that the triangle is 1/2 base times height. And you got to be aware that this right angle, the red box right there, that's where your base and your height come from, not the 5. The 5 is your diagonal to your triangle. Your base and your height come from your right angle, perpendicular. So your base is going to be this 3, and your height is going to be 4. So it's 1/2 3 times 4. So that's going to be 6. So that was the top triangle, so let's do the bottom triangle. So again, so it's half. 3 times 4. That's 6. Because the 3 times 4 is 12. Half of 12 is 6. So let's do this rectangle I see in front. So that's going to be 3 times the height, and the height is going to be 6 because of that height right there. So 3 times 6 is 18. So a triangular prism is a little different than the last one we did because there's no front, back, left, right. There's no 4 sides. There's only 3 sides. So we just did the front. Now we're going to do the right. So we have 2 sides of that triangle done. So we have 4 right here and 6. So 4 times 6. And that's 24 because it's a rectangle. And then let's do the back of it. So we have this length, which is 5, because the top's telling us 5, and then the height is 6, so 5 times 6. And that's 30. And then all you have to do at the very end is add all of this up. So 6 times 6, 6 plus 6 is 12. Plus 18, 30. Plus 24 is 54. Plus another 30 is 84. So the whole area, surface area, so the area of all the shapes around the triangular prism is 84 meters squared.